In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up automated replies on certain keywords on WhatsApp using Periskope. To get started, let's head over to the automation rules page. Let's create a new rule and click on create from scratch. For this action, we want the trigger to be new message received. And then we want to add a condition group, selecting message body and putting in the keyword inside the contains input box. The keyword is not case sensitive. In this example, we want to send an automated response whenever we receive a message which contains the word bug. So in the actions modal, we set the action to be send a message. Then we construct the message body and hit save. Now we have set up this action successfully. Let's go ahead and click on create to deploy this new rule. Now let's test out this new rule by going on the chat screen and sending a message which contains the keyword that we just put in. And there it is. An automated response is sent to our client. You can set up multiple rules to configure various responses to different keywords as per your requirements. We hope this video helps, and we are excited to see how you use Periskope's automation features to improve your customer success on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.